everybody. I'm Chalong and you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. We talk about the amenities of this property. You can see on the screen the property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can also through the link provided in the description. For all the details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem, this property video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.